Need to cancel your AirTalk Wireless service? Here's what you need to know fast. First, canceling your line simply ends your wireless service. You can now do this instantly through the My AirTalk app or website. Just log in and follow the cancellation prompts. Make sure there are no outstanding balances over $50, as that may block cancellation. It's crucial to act fast, as cancellation becomes irrevocable after 24 hours unless appealed, so be certain of your decision. Remember, AirTalk holds your data for 30 days post-cancellation in case you want to reinstate your service. Also, be mindful of potential early termination fees on some plans, though these are typically waived for Lifeline participants. Don't get caught with unwanted charges. Disabling autopay is a separate but essential step. Go to the app or website or dial 611 from your AirTalk phone and turn off autopay manually. Failing to do so can result in charges for up to 30 days after cancellation. If you want to keep your number, porting is the way to go. You'll need your account PIN, usually the last 4 digits of your SSN, the new carrier's account number, and a porting authorization code, PAC, from AirTalk. Porting is free and usually takes about 24 hours. By following these steps, you can cancel your AirTalk service smoothly and avoid any surprises. Always double-check everything and document your interactions for future reference.